Since Brian is not saying a word, it is vital that witnesses start coming forward in order to narrow down the search. Today, a witness came forward with a possible sighting on Gabby's van, and investigators are now searching Teton National Park. Shannon Baker says she and her husband Russell spotted the distinctive Ford Transit van in a parking area near Jenny Lake in Grand Teton National Park, Wyoming at about 5 p.m. on the 25th of August.
Gabby Petito. We're hearing for the first time from a woman who says she spotted the couple in Wyoming.
Meanwhile, Gabby's parents making another emotional plea for help in finding their missing daughter. We do have team coverage for you tonight. Jed Bull talking to a former police chief on why Gabby's boyfriend has not been arrested at this point. Ashley Moser also walking us through the couple's last known whereabouts.
But we start with Garna Mejia, who's live in Wyoming. And Garna, you talked to a key witness in this case.
Yeah, that's right, you guys. The witness says the park was crowded. It was actually the National Park Service's birthday that day, and admission was free. But in the midst of all of that traffic, they spotted a singular van. Gabby Petito's family now believes that that proves Gabby was here.
The majesty of these mountains so splendid, they're unforgettable. And now deputies are banking on that to help them.
All those little pieces can be little pieces of the puzzle to help us figure out where Gabby is.
While authorities are keeping details of their search for 22-year-old Gabby Petito close to the vest,
I can't give you any specifics on areas of interest.
they're hoping accounts like Shannon Baker's.
We drove through Tetons. The only stop we made was at Jenny Lake.
Will narrow down the search in the park's 310,000 acres.
It had the black ladder on the back and the two black roof racks on top, 2 bars. And we made the comment that would be the perfect little camper van to go around in.
Baker says it was 5 p.m. on August 25th when she and her husband Russell spotted Petito's van in the Jenny Lake parking area.
My husband looked at it and goes, well, that's the same vehicle they use on American Pickers.
Baker says they didn't think much of the van until Sunday.
And I said, oh my God, that's the same van we saw.
The Bakers didn't get a picture, but they're certain they saw the van, and so is Petito's family.
And they were very detailed about their description, so I do believe that they saw the van.
You see, Baker and her husband were on a trip to make lasting memories, as he has terminal cancer. But they never imagined their memories could help a complete stranger.
Without a doubt, on my husband's life, I know for a fact that was their van.
Now, we're also hearing that there may be more witness sightings of Petito in the Jenny Lake area on August 25th. In the meantime, anyone with information is asked to visit the website tips.fbi.gov. As for the Bakers, well, they tell me they're actually also from Florida. In Jackson Hole, I'm Garna Mejia, KSL 5 News.
All right, Garna, thank you for the update there. And Gabby's family, along with Florida investors,